Sony artisan Brian Smith. I'm a portrait photographer, and we've done other videos that showed all the gear that I take on a big photo shoot, but I wanted to show you today how I would pack nice and efficiently for a run and gun photo shoot for a magazine where I'm not working with an assistant. Start off with my workhorse body right here, A7R Mark IV. Got a pair of these things. My absolute favorite lens, the 24-70 2.8 G Master. If I had to shoot with one lens, this would be it, because it gives me the chance to shoot anything from 24mm for an environmental portrait with a lot of the environment around the subject, down to 70mm, which is kind of great for a nice intimate portrait. I'll take a second A7R4 body with a 135 1.8 G Master. Absolute beautiful lens when you're shooting really tight portraits. This is a great way to go. Then, just in case I want something in between, I've got the 85 1.8. Now, I've got a pair of 85s. I've got the 85 1.4 G Master, but because I know in general I'm probably going to jump from 70mm to 135 anyway, I just kind of pack this along just in case I need something in the middle range. Got a couple bags here. One of them's got extra Z batteries in it. Now, the batteries in this camera pretty much last all day, but you always want to be safe. So I'll take a couple extra batteries on every shoot. I'm shooting with ProPhoto Flash, so I've got a pair of TTL-S flash triggers here for Sony. For lighting, I'm going to go with the ProPhoto B10 Plus, 500 watt-seconds, battery powered, so you can shoot indoors or out with it. It's got a nice little stand adapter that slips right in as well. I've got my SD cards in a waterproof Pelican case. I use all the Sony SFG cards. I've switched over to Tough now. When you're done shooting with one, take it and put it upside down in the case, and that way you know it's been used. I've got my Sony Xperia 1 phone. Sony Xperia 1 and Xperia 5s with the great Sony camera features like eye autofocus that you've come to love in your cameras. Also comes in super handy if I want to upload photos from the shoot. I can just download them to the phone and upload them on the fly. In the top of the case, I've got a ProPhoto adapter mounting ring and a ProPhoto white beauty dish. So collapsible white beauty dish and holder, pretty much everything you need for the shoot aside from a light stand that you carry in your hand. Subscribe to this channel and check out my next portrait photography video.